In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to your Visa card. If you've made profits on Pocket Option and want to move them to your bank, this guide is for you. Make sure to watch closely so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. First, go to pocketoption.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the official site to protect your funds. Then click Finances on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This section handles all deposits and withdrawals. Next, choose Withdrawal from the available options. It will take you to the withdrawal request form. After that, fill in the withdrawal details like the amount and your Visa card info. If everything looks good, click Continue to proceed. Finally, just follow the prompts to complete your request. You may need to confirm via email or enter a verification code. And that's how you withdraw money from Pocket Option to your Visa card. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful finance walkthroughs.